Very simple to use. I take out the end piece, insert it into the device, switch it on. Once you blow into the device, wait 30 seconds, it records it, and it uploads your results to Soberlink. Before I got sober, my life was pretty terrible and heading to much worse. I was getting in more frequent car accidents. It was taking a heavier strain on my relationships with those around me. My health was definitely hurting because of my drinking. I got into a terrible car accident that I should not have walked away from. In that moment, I realized I didn't have another experience like that in me. I knew I couldn't drink again. That was a warning, and a warning that was loud enough to make me seek help. My ex-wife, when we were going through the divorce, she wanted me to participate in a breathalyzer. They recommended Soberlink, and to be honest, in hindsight, 3 years later, looking back on it, it was most probably one of the best things that could have been asked of me to accompany my AA and my sober lifestyle. Because it really is a companion to it. It takes no time at all, and it holds me accountable as well. If Soberlink didn't exist, I wouldn't like to think about it. I would have used another device. I don't think it would have given me the same results. I don't think it would have given me the same comfort level. I do like the accountability that Soberlink gives me. Soberlink has really been like a safety net and a companion to everything else as far as my sobriety and my sober life. Other devices, anyone could blow into it for you. If I was out of the house, I could have anyone blown to the device and you wouldn't know it's not me. It's that technology, that facial recognition, really, there is no way around it. It has to be you that's doing this. Trust is really something that does not exist between an alcoholic and those around them. Soberlink, it really does afford me the opportunity to rebuild that trust. My ex-wife, for years, I could take the kids out and she had most probably never had a moment's rest, not knowing if I was drinking or not. Soberlink gives her that peace of mind.